Welcome to Wolfe Cadillac. Today we'll be looking at this 2013 GMC Sierra 1500 SLE. This vehicle comes in a quicksilver metallic paint job with the ebony interior. This car comes with a 5.3 liter V8 engine with a 4-speed automatic transmission. This is the 4-door pickup, which seats 6 as well. Making our way into the interior of the vehicle, we got your power folding side mirrors as well as power window buttons. Speaker down at the bottom with 2 extra cup holders and a storage compartment. Side panel is made up of a black leather with hard black plastic as well. Got your turn signal on your side mirror as well. Driver's seat is powered in the black fabric. You got your leather wrapped steering wheel as well. You got your info on the left. You got your cruise control over on the left hand side, volume as well as your voice control and menu selection. All analog odometer. This car is key to start. So foot down on the brake, turn key. Infotainment system in the center console. You got your bands, AM and FM radio, CD and auxiliary players as well. All of your manual climate control options up at the bottom. Traction control. Got your 4-wheel drive and 2-wheel drive control just here. It's just a turnstile knob. Couple little storage compartments as well as air vents. Center console has 3 cup holders. You also have this that flips up, giving you a lot more storage space. It also flips up, so you have your 6th seat. Rear view mirror. Got your sunroof controls here, overhead lighting, and universal garage opener. This car also has a sunroof with your manual blind shade. Speaker just above your head. Illuminated vanity sun visor, as well as your passenger side is illuminated. Starting off with the left-hand side of the vehicle, we have the 18-inch chrome GMC rims on winter tires. Chrome side mirrors with chrome handle grips. You got chromed badging along the side with your side steps on either side. Gas tank is over here as well. Hitch down at the bottom. Nice open bed as well. You got your black hard plastic to help protect your bed as well. That just lifts up. Making our way into the interior of the vehicle, we have the same black leather with black hard plastic. Speaker and storage down at the bottom. Rear seats are also a black fabric. You got 2 headrests. Center console flips right down for 2 spare cup holders. Also have 2 cup holders down at the bottom. Magazine holders at the rear of both front seats. Overhead lighting as well as handle grips. This truck is also outfitted with a full set of all-weather rubber mats. And finishing up with the right-hand side, got your exhaust coming out here. As you can see, this is a 4-wheel drive truck. This truck does have command start as well. You got your wired antenna on the right-hand side with your shark fin antenna above the driver's seat. Tow hooks in the front with your fog lights as well as a chrome grille. If there's anything else you'd like to know about the vehicle, check us out on our website at wolfecadillac.com or visit us here in our dealership in Edmonton, Alberta, over on Stony Plain Rd. As always, thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe.